Good morning, third grade. We are on lesson 133, lesson 133, and that is on page 150 and 151. We have 2 pages, but they're all review, and they're all going to be super easy, promise, okay? So 150 and 151, the 2 pages, rip them out, lesson 133. It's the one with the black horse and the one with the colorful balloons, okay? So let's go ahead to our remember star. Our remember star, we have, we can read it in the book first, okay? An adjective is a word that describes a noun. So my adjective here, the first thing is it describes a noun, okay? Then an adjective may answer the questions. These are the questions. What kind, how many, which one, and whose. So those are the 4 questions, okay, that they answer. What kind, how many, which one, and whose. The 4 questions that adjectives answer. Remember that, okay, third grade? Now, think A says, underline each noun and pronoun. So we're going to underline the noun and the pronoun. Circle each adjective. So we're going to circle the adjective. Then we're going to draw an arrow from each adjective to the noun it describes. So I have A, the example, written down, but we'll read it together first, okay? So, number 1 says, Mom served warm bowls of delicious soup for lunch. So we have this here. Mom served warm bowls of delicious soup for lunch. Okay, so that's A. And we're going to do this together. So let me grab my purple marker. And then we're going to... let's go ahead and underline the nouns and pronouns first, okay? So what's my first noun that you see in your sentence? So look at your paper, or I guess you can look up here too, since I have it up here. What's my first noun that you see? That's right, mom. So we'll underline mom. Then what else, what other nouns do you see, or pronouns? That's right, bowls, good. So bowls, okay. All right. And then there's a couple more, right, nouns. What else do you see? Good, soup. That's a noun, and there's one last one, an A. Okay, good, lunch. Okay, those are all of our nouns. Now that we circled our nouns, let's go ahead and circle the adjectives. So, what's the first adjective you see? Remember, they describe the nouns. Does mom have an adjective? Nope. Does bowls have an adjective? Yes. What kind of bowls? Warm bowls. Very good. We can circle it and draw the arrow to bowls. Very good. Okay. All right. And then what about soup? Does soup have an adjective? Yes, it does. Delicious. Good. And we're going to draw the arrow. I know on your paper it's one sentence, but I'm going to do this. There we go. Kind of hard, but hey, at least you can still see it, right? Okay. And then anything else? No, I think that's it. And that's all you do for section A, okay? For think A. Let's go to remember B. It says underline the correct word in parentheses. So I have B here. Okay. Do you know if you're coming to my birthday party? Do you know if you're coming to my birthday party? So, let's see here. Now, for this, what was I going to say? So, which one is it going to be? Your or your? Which your is it? Which your is it? Did you find out? Figure it out? Good. It's the second your. That's right. Because the second your is a contraction, meaning you are. Do you know if you are coming to my birthday party? Because this your shows possession. This your means that's your puppy or that's your sweater, right? So we know that it's this one, the second one. Good job, and all you have to do is underline it. Think C says, excuse me, write A or an before each word or phrase. And we reviewed this, remember? We already learned this, so I have C up here. We have C, so the first one says, number 1, winter day. Winter day. So we're going to put a or an for winter day. A, very good. And it's going to be A because is W, see W, the first letter? Is that a consonant or a vowel? Good, it's a consonant. So since it's a consonant, you're going to put A. Let's do the next one. Next one says astronaut. So are you going to put A or an for astronaut? We'll look at the first letter. That's a vowel. So when we have a vowel there, what are we going to put? That's right. We're going to put an. A-N. An. Okay? Let's go move on to Think A on page 151. So go to your next page and Think A. Let's read the directions. It says, mark each sentence, diagram the subject, verb, and adjectives. So let's review, okay? Remember, the left side is the subject and the right side is the verb. Remember that? Okay? It's the subject-verb dividing line. That's our sentence line. Subject goes here, verb goes there. Now the adjective goes kind of like a diagonal line going underneath, and that is the adjectives. That's where we will put all of our adjectives underneath the subjects, okay? So, number 1, let's read that together. Ready? The beautiful black horse galloped across the arena. I have that written down. So, let's go ahead and do this together. So, let's go ahead and first figure out our subject. What is our subject? That's right, it is horse. So we'll underline that one time, right? And then what is our verb? Very good, galloped. We'll underline that how many times? Yes, good, 2 times. Very good. And then we'll put the subject-verb dividing line, right? Between where? Good, between horse and galloped. Very good. And then let's go ahead and circle our adjectives. What's our first adjective you see? That's right, the. What's the second adjective you see? Good, beautiful. And the third adjective? That's right, black. Now we're going to draw an arrow to from each adjective to the noun, okay? So do that on your paper. See? I did the 3 different arrows, all to the noun, all to the subject, okay? Because they're describing the horse, beautiful horse, black horse. Okay, now that we have that, I have the thing, I copied it down right here, and we're going to diagram this together. So, what's going to go on the left side here? Good, you're going to write horse, because that is our subject. Excellent job. Horse. And then what's going to go on the right side? That's right, my verb. Good job. What's my verb? Good, galloped. Okay, galloped. And then what's going to go underneath? What's going to go underneath? That's right, the beautiful black horse. Not horse, but the beautiful black. So we're going to put them in order. The comes first, right? See that? Then we're going to put, let's see here, beautiful. Beautiful's next. And then the last one is black. Black. The beautiful black horse. And that's how you are writing it. So that's just a review. Think B is also a review. It's going to use the color key to color the picture. Yellow is nouns, blue is for verbs, and purple is adjectives. So I hope you guys have fun on that worksheet. Make sure you study hard. Miss you guys. third grade and be good at home, and I will see you guys very soon, hopefully.